Some animals don't need teeth, claws, or even contact to kill their enemies. Just being close to them can be deadly for humans.
These animals use invisible weapons to survive.
And most people never see the danger coming.
But its skin contains extremely powerful poison.
This small animal looks harmless at first glance.
A single touch can transfer deadly toxins.
No bite, no attack, just poison.
The toxin enters the body through the skin.
That's how it kills, without touching you.
The ocean hides some of the deadliest killers.
Some of them are nearly invisible.
This creature releases venom into the water. The venom attacks the heart and nervous system.
Swimmers often never notice it.
Symptoms can appear within minutes.
And help sometimes comes too late.
This slow-moving fish looks harmless.
But it carries one of the strongest toxins.
The poison is stronger than cyanide.
Even touching it can be fatal.
There is no safe way to handle it.
One small mistake can cost your life.
And it never even attacked.
Subscribe for more real animal facts like this.